How's it going, everyone? It's Reversal Trader King, where I catch you guys bottoms and tops in the stock market. I want to go over one of the biggest runners we had back in April 5th, 2024. It's now June 10th. We had some time for this to wear out, and I'm going to give you guys a trade that I really think has potential. If you're looking for a big rally to happen, this is the stock that I think can do it. XXII, and I'm going to show you guys my system, where it has ran in the past, and all that. So if you guys don't know, thanks for watching this channel. I appreciate it all. I know I try to be repetitive, but do keep in mind it works. We try to catch bottoms instead of chasing stocks that pump like this, and then people are left with massive bag holders that will never recover to this point, because these are penny stocks that are just very fundamentals are trash. They keep going down, down, down. They do a reverse split. They just stay in compliance, and then they go down again, and then it's just a repeating cycle. I'm going to show you guys why I like XXII at this point here, and we can look at this chart. It's just been absolutely horrendous. But do keep in mind, this has the best spikes, right? So when we hit the lower band, we do see price tend to be in a very nice solid buy area. Price will go up and revert to the average of the reversion of your mean, which is your EMA 5, 10, and 20, which is my middle bands. The purple is my 5, yellow is my 10, and then the light blue is my 20. I love to see price go back to the EMA 20, as that is your home run hit where you make the most money. If price goes to your upper band, you're just freaking, lucky, because it doesn't usually go all that, and it will usually sell, right? So do keep that in mind. And but as you can see, price hit the lower band here. Yes, it might have freaked some people out as it went down a little lower. But as you can see, we started pumping really fast. You want to be in early before the pumps happen. Anyone can see in their screeners when a price is pumping, and then they all chase it like a bunch of sheep. Anybody can see that. But you got to realize is it is extremely risky when you chase pennies. As you can see right here, we get closer. We had the time distance of not hitting the EMA 20. Our last touch was here. Look at all this time distance not hitting it. We finally touch it here, making a beautiful gain right here, and then it keeps going up. So I'm just doing some entries here, looking at it. As you can see, upper band touch, goes down, close to lower band, goes up. The best signals are the ones that hit the lower band. But look at the entry we're getting, guys. This is looking amazing. Look at this. So we didn't just buy it at the first lower band touch here. Could have made decent gain as it pumped a little from there. But what I like is the time distance of the EMA 10 and time distance of the EMA 20. We have not touched the EMA 10 and 20. Like this is exciting, guys. This is looking amazing. Our last touch was way back in here on the EMA 20, which is May 8th. So it's been over a month. Anything that don't touch the EMA 20 in 2 months time frame is rare. So we are literally probably going to touch it in another month. And you can get massive candles like this. If you get into that, that is life-changing money. From a low of $1.40 all the way to $4.31. If we just go to $1, guys, we make massive money on this trade. So we recently just had earnings. That's out of the way. We don't even have to worry about that. And we've just been going down ever since. And we are at the lower band touch. And what's beautiful about this, guys, is we have a very low K on the KDJ. If you look down here, my K value, it's super low. It's at 4.18. Can it go lower? Absolutely. I want to see if we have a little more area down here below. But honestly, get some skin in the game. This is honestly one of the textbook examples you will see in my system. You have it's got 316,000 volume. So usually when you do have low volume and it picks up, that's why you get the big spikes on these low volume stocks. As you can see on this candle, it had 930,000 volume. Next candle was 72 million. So yeah, this is a sleeper right now. This XXII is going to pump pretty big, but if you're using my system and you're in my Discord, do keep in mind that we want to make sure you take the exits when they need to be. Usually at the EMA 5, price does tend to reject off of it, one time. So do keep that in mind. You could take profits there, but just scale out as you hit each EMAs. So that yeah, I just want to get this out. This is a very nice trade because looking at prior history, if this thing can spike, a lot of people remember that. People notice the spikes on this trade, right? As you can see, it's just been absolutely a beautiful trade. And as you can see, this is why it's so important to take these gains. Like right here, we had a low of 769 and it spiked up to the almost $10 range. Take that because when it gets close to the EMA 10, it could revert and go down. But look at, I really think we're going to get a really nice, decent spike. I would not put this under the table here. This is a trade because once it starts spiking, it gets really risky and it usually dumps. Hope you guys like this. This is just a very nice analysis of a textbook example of my strategy of hitting the bottom band with a low with very nice time distance of the EMA 10 at the very least, because we haven't touched the EMA 10 since May 16th. It is June 10th. Anything that don't touch the EMA 10 in 1 month is really long. So in 5 or 6 days, that's going to be super long. So yeah, that's my nice trade idea for everyone. If you guys really want to see real-time action, do join the premium Discord of only $6 a month or 20 cents a day. However you look at it, it is extremely affordable with a system that catches trend reversals at the extreme oversold territories. And it can be used to catch tops too. If you want to join, I'll put the link in the YouTube comments below. It'll be pinned. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. When you click that link, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. All you have to do is please read how to subscribe. Look at my avoid scammers section, because a lot of people will DM you and message you. I will never DM you or message you first, so do keep that in mind. The only service I offer is the $6 a month. All you have to do is hit the premium chat under the subscriptions tab, and when you do that, it will opt you to subscribe for only $6, guys. I'm telling you, this is just amazing. And when you do click that, if you do subscribe, do it on computer, as that is the best way to do it, because you avoid the iOS fee. If you do it on your phone, you might be like, oh, why isn't it $6? Because they charge like $1 or $2 or more. So yeah, I try to let people know that. If you click on the RTK swing trades, these are going to be the trades that I alert and get sent to your phone, and you get notified. So if you want to take them, you can, and that'll be awesome. I'll also have education videos that you can see and look at how to properly accumulate reversals, my swing trading indicator strategy, and all that. And then RTK Journal, when you click on my spreadsheet here, you can see my actual trades with my averages and my wins and losses. So I hope you guys really enjoyed that. This is honestly like family, guys. I try to make it so affordable that anyone can join with no matter what your account size is. So that way you can see why, but I know tons of people were bag holding on this big candle here. It's just the nature of it. Everybody comes into these, they're so hyped up, they're like, this thing can never go down, and it just starts going down and down and down and down. It just keeps going down. And it's sad because we know we don't buy above the EMA 510 and way in this black area, especially when it hits the upper band, and these just keep going down forever. And but there is a point where we can get these corrections. We want to know, how do we get in on these big moves up like this? And that's really what I'm here to teach you. We're having for the when it was at this area before, guys, this is where it made a nice juicy spike. So that's all I'm trying to say. The probabilities are on your favor for the buying now. And I just wanted you guys to know that. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. This is XXII. I am expecting a really big pump based on the prior pumps this thing has. And thank you so much for watching. If you do want to join the premium Discord, I will be in there all the time. I'm there to help anybody. I'm there to, share my experiences, and update the strategy, and anything you need, I am there for you guys. You guys are family to me, and I appreciate you, all of you. If you guys like the video, give it a like. It helps if you hit that like button, subscribe, and then comment. I really do appreciate all the love, guys, and thank you so much. Peace out. Let's make some money.